What I value about the workshop was really the opportunity to take some time out, reflect on life in general and also just where my career is right now. In a long time I haven't actually thought about what I'm going to do next in my career.
Not so much surprises, but things I hadn't thought about, like updating my resume.
Definitely a few surprises, absolutely. I should have thought about a lot more about my finances. I have no idea how I spend my money.
I think it's just more reflecting on the main pillars, and networking was probably a big one. We definitely spend a lot of time within our peer group, in our networks, but it's really taking that time to think about the broader networks, both professionally and personally, and making sure we leverage each and every conversation and opportunity.
First action that I'm going to take is that I am going to give my children my mobile phones at the weekend, and they can hide them from me so that I am present and in the moment at my weekends. That's going to be a big change for me.
Definitely going to ask my wife what we do with our finances.
I realise what an impact moving a Cogger has had on my daily routine, and I haven't really locked down my new gym and all those things. I just need to get those things in place to be happy. And also for the first time probably in my career, I haven't actually thought about what I'm going to do next.
It's fabulous to be amongst friends, be amongst peers, and just having those open and robust conversations. Some of them are really a bit tricky, to be honest, but it's really great that we have the time, and actually once you do it, you're so much better off for the opportunity.
Why wouldn't I recommend Create Your Career? It's such a fantastic opportunity for each of us just to take stock of where we are in our home lives, our work lives, and reimagine the future. It's such a fantastic opportunity for each and every one of us. Go get it. Thanks.